At itong tatlong to ay nararapat na ng parangalan dahil sila ang naging ama ng Huacalla clan. Kaya ngayon, bibigyan natin sila ng parangal. Huacalla Family Foundation awards the Certificate of Recognition to Hilario S. Huacalla. Kayo muna ay for his dedication.
Palakpakan!
Of the Huacalla family to inculcate the oneness and foster family cooperation among members. To remember, among others, the birthday of the late Simeon Huacalla, Father, for his untiring initiative to ensure that the family bonding of Huacalla family shall be continued to the future generation, given this 12th day of June 12, 2012 at Paradiso, Lepias Resort, Lukban, Quezon. Okay, lahat ng mga palakpakan po at iyaari. Magpabango ka na, ha? Oh, eto. Thank you, picture.
Pagsalita, pagsalita.